Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 18.4. So let's start. Question number 9 is given here. The length, breadth and height of a rectangle is given here 5:4:2. So length, breadth and height is given 5:4:2. So take the length is 5x, breadth is 4x and the height is 2x. Then if the total surface area is 1216 semi-cube, find the volume of the solid. So what is the formula of finding the surface area of a cuboid? That is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this total surface area is given here 1216. So just put the values, that means 5x into 4x plus 4x into 2x plus 2x into 5x is equal to 1216. So from here you can easily find out the value of x. So x is here 4 centimeter. Now the length is 5 into x, that is 5 into 4, 20 centimeter. Breadth is 4 into x, 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter, and 2 into x, 8 centimeter. The volume of the rectangle volume is length into breadth into height. So just multiply the values, you will get the answer. Now go to question number 11. So question number 11 is given a cuboidal block of metal has dimension 36 centimeter by 32 centimeter by 0.25 meter. It is melted and recast into cube and with the edge of 4 centimeter. So how many such cube can be made? So there is two things are given. One is cuboidal block and one is cube metallic block. So this cuboidal block is melted and made small cube block. Okay, so at first you have to find out the volume of the cuboidal metallic block. Okay, so there is given length is 36 centimeter, breadth is 32 centimeter, but the height is given in meter. So at first you have to convert this meter to centimeter. So 0.25 centimeter, that will be 25 centimeter. Okay, now just multiply them, you will get the volume of the cuboid. Okay, so now you have to find out the volume of each cube. So each side of the cube is given here 4 centimeter. Now how to find out the volume of a cube? That is nothing but a cube, a be the side of the cube, so that will be 64 centimeter cube. Now after melting this volume, after melting this cuboid, you will get some cube with this volume. So how to find out how many cube you can make from here? So you have to divide this cuboid volume divided by 64. You will get here 450. So 450 number of cube you can make from here. Now go to the second question. Second question is given, what is the cost of silver coating the surface of the cube at the rate of 0.75 per square centimeter? So so what to do here? You have to find out the total surface area of the cube. So total surface area of the cube, you know that is 6 square, because in a cube there have 6 faces and all the faces is in square. So each square area is a square and 6 faces, that is 6 square. So 6 square is equal to how much? That will be 96 semi square. Now 1 semi square rate is 0.75. Now you have to just multiply it, you will get the result. So in this way you can solve question number 12, 13 and 14. So these three is your homework. Thank you everyone.